This is what David plans on doing. Alright. David's bringing that bike in there to clean it up, which is the GT Interceptor. And I got the Mach 1 out. I'm gonna start cleaning up the chrome on that. But I got one of two of my mags back from the shop, and I bought some tires and tubes for them, Eastern. So this is gonna go on this first sneak peek. Okay. He's gonna clean up the Interceptor here. But last night for y'all, I went and picked up some more bikes because I know y'all have been liking the BMX videos. We got GT Dyno Comp 20-inch, and then we got the Torker. It doesn't have a crank setup or a back brake setup. I don't know what went here. If y'all can tell me, let me know. If you want to tell me what year it is, let me know. I got some grips on the way already for it. I mean, as soon as I got home last night, I started ordering shit. Yeah, this thing's badass, bro. Then we got the Conqueror XL 900. I don't know shit about this bike either. It's a freestyle bike. If y'all know anything, let me know. It's got an ACS rotor gyro on it. Don't know much about it at all. Seen it there, got it, you know what I mean. And then we got another GT Dyno. This is a Detour. This thing's brutal. It's either 95 or 96. I forget which one. Brutal shit, bro. And you already know the seat post. You guys know what it is. I don't gotta tell y'all. If anything, y'all gotta tell me. Comment. Right, David?
For sure. Let him know what's going on, what we got, if it's worth anything.
Yeah.
What order, so we most likely will not sell you shit. But we are collectors. What can I say?
I don't know. I sell some shit too.
Not me.
You can let me know what it is.
If you see anything that's mine in the videos, don't even ask about it.
For real. I just happened to pick this up too. It's probably a new school, mid-school, new school unit. Basically brand new, besides some rust needs cleaned up, but and some dust. But other than that, she's minty. Alright, so here's a quick little update. We got one of the two mags on the GT Mach 1, and I cleaned it up a little bit. Got that in here so we can clean it up a little bit. Haven't done any research on it. Don't know the year or anything. But if you know, let me know. Got the monkey bike in here. David cleaned this bike up, the Interceptor. It's got the 2002 X Games VII gold. You know me, that's my colors, Holmes. Bitch is hard as hell. That bitch is hard as hell. But yeah, just picked this one up today. And we also had J-Tune's personal fabricator pick up the exhaust manifold, or the turbo manifold, and turbo for the 2JZ. And later today, I'm going to the bike shop that I use, which is Trek Bicycle in Newark, Delaware, Main Street. That's my shop. They always willing to help me. I'm gonna go there today and drop this bike off to have them put a new crank assembly and stuff in there. And I'm also gonna get some part numbers for the rear wheel for the Mach 1. But I just put these handle grips on here today. Oh, sheesh. What do we got Davey out here riding?
Oh,
It's a heavy bike though, for real.
Dude, I bet you I could fucking bunny hop and fucking
Do it.
wall ride on that. Not on this bike.
Do it on that little chassis.
Fuck no. I'm scared to bunny hop that thing. The tires are so thin.
I know.
Nah, it's meant for dirt jumps, bro. Here we got the SE Quad Angle 2009 in the old John Deere colors. All original, besides the rear wheel bolts. You can see these ones are black. And those ones are like grayish. Might not be able to see it. Maybe this side. Yeah. But he told me right off the rip that that was the only thing aftermarket about the old drill. Davey got finished putting on the rear wheel. Yeah. Davey started cutting off the handle grips and found the original GT stickers underneath. Let's see that one, Cole. Watch out.
Yeah! Get that on camera.
Grab the grips.
What'd you do with them?
They're over there.
And there it is. There it is. What are you doing with the seat now?
Putting it down.
Put it down, motherfucker.
This is my rider right here, so I'm making it to my preference.
I know, dude.
Like it more than my bike.
I wanted to keep it with, you know, vintage style shit. Not how they do the new school BMX bikes. Swapping out the handle grips
Swapping out
on
these nuts.
the Royce
The fucking
Union.
gas station fucking
Conqueror.
butter knife here.
Yeah.
That's what they give me.
Yep. Putting the ODI mushroom handle grips on it. For real, it needs a clean up, but
Oh, this thing's fucking wheelie.
oh, took the handle right off of it.
Did you get that?
Yeah. This is what Davey plans on doing. That's what Colt was on. This is what I was on.
Not bad.
David's on Americo now. Hey, he got over it.
That shit is gang.
You got it. You got it. You got a more bunny hop over the wheels. See?
Did I clear it?
Yeah. Oh! You good?
Yeah, I lost my lens. This motherfucker. That's all I care about is my glasses.
Wipe, dude.
Did you get on camera?
Yup.
Yeah. Getting too old for this shit.